The camera industry is shifting beneath our feet, and if you thought Fujifilm was going to rest on its laurels after the massive success of their previous generation, you haven't been paying attention. Today we are diving deep into the monumental leaks, the heavy expectations, and the raw reality surrounding the next major evolution in portable imaging. Hit that subscribe button and stay locked in, because what is coming is going to change how you capture the world forever. And you need to know every single detail before you drop your hard-earned cash on any gear upgrade. Let's address the elephant in the room right away. When Fujifilm first merged retro analog aesthetics with cutting-edge digital sensor technology, they shook the entire photography world. They forced Sony, Canon, and every other major tech giant to rethink what a hybrid mirrorless machine could actually achieve. But let's be completely honest with ourselves. While the image quality and film simulations were undeniable, the community made their voices heard loud and clear. Autofocus tracking needed that final touch of absolute predictability. Rolling shutter and video modes had room for evolution, and processing efficiency needed a heavy-duty speed boost to keep up with modern professional workflows. Fujifilm listened, and what they have been cooking up behind closed doors takes everything we loved, fixes every single flaw, and supercharges it for a brand new era of content creation. Digital camera world. The most staggering upgrade everyone is talking about revolves around sensor architecture and processing speed. Rumors and hardware supply chain leaks point directly toward a next-gen partially stacked sensor design, paired with an all-new processing engine. What does that mean for you in the real world? It means dramatically faster readout speeds, virtually zero rolling shutter distortion, and blackout-free electronic shutter, continuous shooting that lets you capture fast-moving action without missing a single micro-moment. Combined with massive resolution power, you are getting an unprecedented amount of detail that rivals full-frame systems, while retaining the compact, lightweight ergonomics of the APS-C format. If you shoot fast-paced street photography, wildlife, or high-end commercial video, this technological overhaul alone makes the wait entirely worthwhile. Shuttercount.net. Underneath that iconic, weather-sealed physical dial layout lies a powerhouse of next-generation video capabilities. We are looking straight down the barrel of massive internal recording leaps, including high bitrate codecs and professional-grade color profiles that give colorists absolute freedom in post-production. Imagine shooting cinematic 8K footage or oversampled 4K video with staggering dynamic range, all packed into a body that you can comfortably carry around your neck all day long, coupled with an upgraded in-body image stabilization system that smooths out handheld walking shots like a mechanical gimbal. The boundary between heavy cinema rigs and lightweight hybrid cameras completely vanishes. YouTube. Let's talk about autofocus intelligence, because that has always been the ultimate battleground for modern creators. Fujifilm engineers have reportedly integrated deep learning AI subject detection algorithms that lock onto eyes, faces, animals, and vehicles with terrifying accuracy. No more hunting for focus in backlit scenarios. No more losing your subject when they turn away from the camera, and no more second-guessing whether your critical shots are sharp. The camera does the heavy thinking for you, tracking fast-moving subjects across the frame with sticky persistence, so you can focus entirely on composition, lighting, and storytelling. Shuttercount.net. Control